These flightless birds are engineered perfectly for aquatic life, showing sleek bodies and powerful flippers. On land, they waddle across rocky shores and snowy terrains, often living in large colonies together. Penguins feed on krill, fish, and squid, diving deep into the vast ocean to hunt. Their blubber and feathers insulate against the cold, allowing survival in the harshest environments. Breeding season brings penguins together, where they form strong bonds and carefully care for eggs. Chicks grow rapidly, relying on their parents for food and protection from dangerous predators. From emperor to little blue, each penguin species uniquely exhibits behaviors and interesting traits. These incredible birds face threats from climate change, habitat loss, and environmental pollution now. Protecting penguins is crucial for maintaining our planet's biodiversity and overall ecological balance today.